Hello, my wonderful SM3 students. This is the 5B review on exponents and logarithms, mostly logarithms, but let's get started. Okay, number one is asking you to expand each logarithm. Okay, so the first one, we have a division problem, or we're dividing a log. So just remember that, or we're taking the log of something that's being divided. And remember that when we divide, we actually are going to subtract. So we have log a to the sixth minus log b to the third. And then we can take the exponents and put them down in front. So we have 6 log a minus 3 log b. Okay, number 2. Again, we have basically the main operation here is division. So we're going to do that first. So log base 2, 7x to the third minus log base 2 of y. And then I look at each one separately. So this one, the main operation here is multiplication. So I'm going to do that one first. Log base 2 of 7 plus log base 2 of x to the third. That takes care of this one. And then I've got this one left over. And there's nothing more I can do with that one. And then I've got this exponent. I'm going to bring that out in the front. So log base 2 of 7 plus 3 log base 2 of x minus log base 2y. All right. So in this one we have a radical. We've got y times the 4th root of x to the third. And what we need to do with radicals is we need to change them into exponential form first. So remember that this 4, this is the index. The index is going to go in the denominator. So this is y times x to the 3/4 power, right? It's x to the third, but then I'm taking the 4th root. All right, so it's multiplication. So log base 3 of y plus log base 3 x to the 3/4. And again, I'm going to take that exponent and put it in the front. So log base 3y plus 3/4 log base 3x. Okay. This one, number 4. Again, we're taking the log of something that's being divided, so we're going to subtract again. Boy, I was going to say they've all been that way, but we've got 3 so far. Log base 4 of 4 minus log base 4 of 3. Now, this looks like it should be the end, but it does say to simplify. So log base 4 of 4, when we look at our properties of undoing things, okay, log base 4 of 4 to the 1st power, this cancels. So we have 1 minus log base 4, 3. Okay, let's move on to number 5. This one's a little more involved. Again, it's division is the main thing. I mean, we've got division, multiplication, and exponents in this problem, but the main one at first is division. So log base 3 of 2y to the 4th minus log base 3 x cubed z. All right, so this one is multiplication. So we've got log base 3, 2 plus log base 3y to the 4th. And remember that anything in the denominator is going to be a minus. Plus, we would be distributing the negative. So we have minus log base 3 x to the 3rd minus log base 3 of z. Again, these are both in the denominator, so they're both going to be negative. Okay, so now I just need to take my exponents and put them in the front. Log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 y, or excuse me, I forgot to put the 4 out front. 4 log base 3 of y minus 3 log base 3 of x minus log base 3 z. Now, this does not cancel. People are getting this confused. This is 3 times log base 3 of x. What does cancel is when log base 3 of x is the exponent. This is 3 times, this is 3, 2 to the log base 3. This would cancel, but that one does not. All right. This one, we're multiplying. All the way, we've got 4 things we're multiplying. So we've got log 6 plus log x to the 3rd plus log y plus log z, and then here's that exponent that goes in the front. So log 6 plus 3 log x plus log y plus log z. That one's kind of a little redundant, but all right, we are going to go on with condensing logarithms in the next video.